I watch and wait for your reply. I know your love is there. You hate the ways of wicked hearts. Their lies will not remain, but those who walk in truth and grace shall live to praise your name.
By mercy's door I come within, to bow before your throne. Lead me, O Lord, in righteousness, and make your pathway known.
The proud may plot their secret schemes, their tongues are full of lies, but you defend the ones you love and hear the righteous cries. Let all who trust in you rejoice and sing with hearts made strong. Surround them, Lord, with endless grace, their refuge and their song. For surely, Lord, you bless the just. Your favor is their shield. Your love will crown the faithful soul, and peace is their